Hey guys, today we are going to be building a red car. Now I'm going to start off with this 4x12 base plate, and yeah, let's get started. I just brought this brick separator. Yeah, brick separator, just in case you need to take off bricks. Yeah, I brought it here with me, just in case if I stick on a brick the wrong way. Okay, so far this is going to be the front of the car right here that we're building. We are building the front of the car right here in the spot that you are seeing right now. We are going to add a steering wheel, red one. You can use whatever color you want. I chose to make this a red car.
And black.
Yeah, red, black, all those close colors to red. You'll notice that I have some other things like this. This is going to be to adjust the speed. So this is what we've built so far. Let's keep on building. Okay, so you'll notice that we are going to place these. Now, we are going to place them right here. Now, I don't have a 1x2 flat brick to go in here. I don't have it on hand right now, so I'm just going to leave this kind of like floating. Okay, I'm going to take this so that that will be hidden. Forget that you saw that. Okay, now I'm just going to stack up these red bricks. And before I put these on, I'm just going to set this down right there in the middle, like that. And I'm going to take these, I'm going to place them down right there. Now these are to hold the lights. Actually, I don't want the red ones. I want the yellow one. And I'll leave the red one later. I actually have two reds.
I think backlights are red, aren't they?
I can add a red and yellow, right? Or actually, I want the backlights to go on the bottom. Do you think that will work, or should I have them on the top? I think,
if it's on the top, then
I mean like right here. I'm gonna be adding a third layer, so I'm pretty sure.
I think there.
It should be here.
Because then the drivers can see it if one car is behind that car.
Okay, we're going to be adding that later. Okay, so now I'm going to add these. Or you know what? I want these things here. So if it's like one of those pieces you add on the roof. So I'm going to stick these on the side.
I think that's called a 2x4 slope.
How many degrees is it? I'm pretty sure it's 45 because when I stick this on, it makes a 90. They both are the same. Okay. Now I'm going to take two of these. And I'm going to be needing these transparent studs. They don't need to be transparent, but I chose mine transparent. So I'm going to stick red and blue over here. Now I'm gonna need this. It's actually optional. I just chose it to add more detail. And I stuck it on. And we're going to do one that is identical to the one that we just made. Hey, where's the other one? You have it?
Nope.
Where is it?
Let's check.
Or I'll just keep on going. So I want this to be facing front. Or maybe we could borrow one from the water fountain. I guess that one hurt, right? I'll get a green one.
Huh?
Okay. So I just borrowed one from the water fountain.
Hopefully the lights are fixed.
Yep. Here, I put some I put green and yellow and red and blue. Just to add some color to this red car. So I'm gonna put red on the top just to even this out. And now I'm going to take these one by, what are these called?
1 by 3.
That flung away. What are these called?
I think those are called 1 by 3 slopes.
Are they 90 degrees? Yeah, they're 90. I mean, they're 45.
degree
Yeah.
slopes.
Oh no. Okay. So we are going to be making that more stable later. Kind of, I think. Wait.
Yep, we will.
Going to take this.
2 by 4
Going
flat
to
piece.
stick it on over here so you would have a detachable roof. I'm just going to take it off right now. And I'm just going to stick these all on. Okay, so I'm going to put these in.
To do this step right now.
What?
You aren't supposed to do this step right now.
I am. I'm adding the wheels last.
No, I mean you aren't supposed to break the roof
I know. I just took it off so it's easy.
to see what's inside.
You confuse me sometimes. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it over.
And now the wheels.
Oh no, the steering wheel.
Oh.
I'm just gonna use this brick separator to not separate bricks to add this one in. Okay, I added it in. You probably didn't see me add it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip this car over on the side and I'm going to attach these wheels on like this. I have this 2 by 3 brick for the other side. I have it in red. Now this 2 by 3 brick will be going in the back. The 2
I
by
think
2
you know where the 2 by 2 brick will
will go in the front. And yeah, we completed this red car. Here's your 360-degree view. So this is the left side. This is the back. Now you can have this down. I chose to have it here. This is bottom. Not so interesting. Okay. This is the
right side.
yeah, right side. This is the left side for me, or the forward-facing side right now.
And
This
here's
is the front. I think this turned out pretty good.
Maybe you can tell us in the comments what was your theme.
Yeah, what was your theme that you built if you ended up building this?
Like for example, ours was red,
Yeah.
black, and brown.
Like what he means by theme is he means like the main color. What was the main color, or what was the color
Or if
that
you
was seen most? Ours would be red, because you see red like everywhere on this car, like in the back and kind of in the front and the bottom.
I think red and black is
yeah,
our theme.
red and black and brown. Okay, I guess that sums it up for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.
This is the time to like and subscribe.
Bye.